Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to set up Webhook inside HelpSpace. So HelpSpace is a simple user-friendly tool designed to help businesses manage customer support efficiently. It provides a centralized platform where support teams can track, respond to, and resolve customer inquiries from different channels like email or chat. With features like shared inbox, ticketing system, and knowledge base, it helps team to stay organized, collaborate easily, and offer quick, consistent support to customers. HelpSpace simplifies the process of handling customer service, making it easy for businesses to keep their customers happy and their support operations smooth. And in this video, we're going to learn how you can set up Webhook inside HelpSpace with Pabbly Connect, okay? So as you can see that I've created a workflow in the name of how to set up Webhook inside HelpSpace. And over here, you can see there are two windows in front of you. One over here says trigger, other says action. Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two concepts. Over here, trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action step. We're going to set up our trigger step over here, okay? And for the trigger application, what we are going to do is we are going to select it as HelpSpace, okay? As we're going to learn how to set up Webhook inside HelpSpace with Pabbly Connect. So that is why for the trigger application, I'm going to select it as HelpSpace, okay? And for the trigger event over here, a single trigger event in the name of configure webhooks is provided to us. So I'm going to select my trigger event over here as configure webhook, okay? As we're going to connect HelpSpace to Pabbly Connect with the help of Webhook, okay? After selecting the trigger application and the event, you can see that Pabbly Connect has provided us with a Webhook URL. With the help of this unique Webhook URL, we're going to create a connection between HelpSpace and Pabbly Connect. This URL acts as a bridge between HelpSpace and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so in order to connect this URL to Pabbly Connect, you have to follow the steps given here below in the help desk step by step. So let us read the steps given here below in the help desk. It says log into your HelpSpace account, go to settings, integrations, click on manage webhooks button. Copy the URL from the above and paste it under URL field. Enable webhook and choose the trigger events. Click on save and save the webhook, okay? So these are the steps that we have to follow in order to connect HelpSpace to Pabbly Connect with the help of this Webhook URL. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this URL from here. After copying the URL, I'm going to log into my HelpSpace account. So this is my HelpSpace account, okay? Now in order to connect this account to Pabbly Connect, from the left side of the panel, go to the settings option. Under settings, go to integrations option. And from the integrations, if you go to scroll down, it says webhooks. Click on manage webhooks button right over here. As you're going to do that, you will be landed towards the webhooks page, okay? Coming to webhooks over here, you can see under webhooks it says disabled and enabled. Click on this enabled button. Over here, it is asking for the webhook URL. I'm going to paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. Enter the secret key right over here, okay? After that, it is asking for the additional header. I do not require the field, so I'm going to skip the part. After that, it is asking for the events for which we want to capture the response of in our Pabbly Connect workflow. So I want to capture the response of ticket being created. You can select deleted, channel updated, and all the other details if you want from here, okay? For the customer, I want it as being created, and for the tags also, I want it as being created, okay? So these are the responses that I want to capture in my workflow right over here. You can select a single response also over here. You can just select over here the customer being created or just the tag being created according to your requirements. Select the events from here, okay? Of which you want to capture the response of in your workflow right over here, okay? After selecting all the events that you want to have the response of, click on the save button. It says saved right over here. That means the webhook has now been successfully saved to our HelpSpace account, okay? As the webhook is now successfully added to our HelpSpace account, I'm going to go back to my workflow and scroll down. It is saying waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether HelpSpace is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what we are going to do is we are going to do a test. And how we're going to do that? I am going to create a test tag in my HelpSpace account. And then I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of the test tag being created or not. For creating the tag from the settings, go to the tag space right over here, okay? So then you will be landed towards the tags page. Click on this create tag button in order to create a tag. It is asking for the tag name. So for the tag name over here, I'm going to give it as demo tag. Okay, so this is the tag name. For the tag use, I'm going to select as all features right over here. Okay, then for the color, select a color from here and then click on this create button to simply create a tag. As you can see, a tag in the name of demo tag has been created. This is a test tag that I've created just to check whether HelpSpace is connected to Pabbly Connect or not. Okay. So as the test tag has now been successfully created in my HelpSpace account, I'm going to open my workflow and scroll down. And yes, you can see right over here, Pabbly Connect has captured the response of the tag being created in my HelpSpace account. The event comes over here as tag created. As we have created a tag in our HelpSpace account, we have captured the response of it in our workflow. Okay. For the data type, I've selected as all. So the data came over here as all. The name comes as demo tag, as you can see right over here with the color that we have selected. Okay. So this is how you connect HelpSpace to Pabbly Connect, and this is how you set up Webhook inside HelpSpace with the help of Pabbly Connect. Okay. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.
Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.